Welcome to, or welcome back to, Mow, Sow, and Grow. My name is Luke. Today we're testing out the new wood splitter. I didn't record the assembly since there are plenty of videos like that, but basically I just said a bunch of swear words the whole time and then I dropped a wrench on my toe. My first use of the wood splitter was just to split some logs that were left over from last winter by the house. And that means taking off a section of the dog fence. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. This small stack right here is all we've had to burn so far this winter. It's been so warm. It is a rugged split 22-ton. It has a split tray and it has a log lift. Two important things for me. I elected for the Honda GX270 and so far it's a really nice wood splitter. Very happy with it. Make sure you watch until the end to see the giant visitor we had to the property on our new trail camera, and quite a few of his friends. Our old wood splitter didn't work, and I didn't want to spend the time and money to get it back going because its cycle time was, oh man, super long, maybe 30 seconds. And I think this thing has a 12-second cycle time. I'll have to double check. I'll put the actual time at the bottom here. Yeah, it came in a crate and I had to put it together myself. Nice thing about the operator station here is that you unscrew a little bit and you can rotate it so you can be on the other side if you want, or wherever feels comfortable. The log lift you can also move to either side, and I chose that side. Seems to be working out. A little leak here. I wish I could justify the cost of, say, an Easton-made access or something more upright like that, but I think this will work just fine for the wood-burning stove that we have for supplemental heat in our house. After the first use of the wood splitter, it's been too warm to use the inside wood burner, so I haven't used it. Temperatures this coming week are going to get down into the teens and even lower, so it's time to split some rounds from a couple of years ago. And back here I have a pretty big pile of hardwoods. Most of that is deadfall or standing dead that I've pushed over, and we'll need to cut it up, but it's quite a bit. And then back over here I've got a pile of pine, and I might cut it up and split it and sell it for roadside campfire wood in the summer. Other than that, I'm not afraid of burning pine in our wood burner either. And then I have this pile. These are all too long to fit between these trees, so they're just kind of piled up here for now. If you want to see a video of me gathering some of these big logs, I'll link it down below. I got a bunch of cut firewood in here. It's a total mess, as you can see, but most of it is dry and just needs to be split. And so that's what I'm doing. I got a wagon full on the John Deere and a big tool rack full on the tractor. And man, you guys should smell this cedar. It smells so good. Alright, that's probably good enough for stacking near the house. The rest from the John Deere I'll just put in the barn, and later we'll come by and refill this. I'll make sure to give a long-term update next winter on this wood splitter. Thanks for watching, and enjoy some wildlife footage.